Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today we are playing a game. Come here, I want to show you something. You see this right here? This is a mystery box, and you may ask yourself, what exactly is a mystery box? Well, I'm going to tell you. Last week we had a big promotion. We had over 600 scratch and dent style gallons here at Dip Your Car in the warehouse. Gallons that just weren't in the best shape. We wouldn't normally send them out to paying customers, but we wanted to get rid of them in the most creative way that we can. So we created these mystery boxes. It actually includes 4 different gallons, and the price was super cheap. I think it was like $2.50 per gallon. But you'd basically be getting that mystery box, and you have no idea what gallons or what colors you were getting. It was completely random. We went through about 160 of those mystery boxes in 9 minutes, just like that. But this one right here, this mystery box was returned from UPS. And what I want to do with it is play with it. I am going to take whatever is in this mystery box, and we are going to put it on the DYC S4, which is sitting right here with an avalanche gray base down. Let's pop this baby open and see what we've got. All right, guys, before we do the unboxing, I'm going to go over the rules of the game with you real quick. Now, again, this mystery box was shipped out to a customer. It has not been reopened since it came back from UPS, and I have no idea what is in this box. However, I know it's 4 gallons, but it could be anything from Plasti Dip spray, Performance Series, old rubber dip spray, top coat glossifier. It could be anything in here. So here's the commitment and the rules. Whatever's in here, we have to use it on the DYC S4 today, regardless of what it is. Now, we don't have to mix them all together. We can do some layering effects, but each gallon has to play a component in the end result on the car. Wish us luck. This better not be a total disaster. The first gallon in the mystery box oh boy. This is a Dip Pearl Top Coat gallon infused with Komodo Color Flip Pearl. Okay? That's one. Number 2 has nothing on the top. It has nothing on the sides. Great. Gallon number 3. Oh, all right. Wicked wine. It doesn't sound all the way full. Wicked wine's not bad. So far we've got Komodo, mystery gallon, and wicked wine. And the final gallon is, oh, okay, a leaky red. That's barely holding together. All right. Not ideal, but it could be worse. So, oh, this won't even stand up. So we got red PDS, wicked wine, 13269, and Komodo Dip Pro Top Coat. Let's pop this one open and see what it is. All right. You have any guesses? Huh? Yeah, well, it looks like clear. Is it glossifier? Do you have a stick? Hold on, let me find a stick. It does kind of look like there's something on the bottom. Is that pearlizer? Oh my God, is that pearlizer or silver metallizer? Is this silver? Okay, so we've got a silver metal flake gallon that desperately needs to be blended. All right, so the final lineup is red, silver metallizer, wicked wine, and Komodo color shift. Now we can layer these, we can mix some. Any ideas? I mean, obviously we've got two top coat style and 2 base coat style. We could do a classic, mix these two, put that combo over that combo.
That'd be interesting.
I don't know what the red and the wicked wine, I mean, the wicked wine might overpower the red quite a bit, but it'd be an adjusted wicked wine, like a redder wicked wine, and then Komodo over that, you may get some incredibly funky Iron Man style.
You get some dark Iron Man, some flake Man.
I don't know if this will show up at all, but all right, so what we're going to do is mix the Wicked Wine and the red and use that as our color coats, then mix the Komodo Flip and the silver metallizer and use that as our enhancer coats. Let's go. Well, guys, we are done with the car, and the results, well, the results are very interesting. This is going to be one of those projects where I don't even attempt to try to describe to you what the car looks like. You're just going to have to see it for yourself. There's just way too much going on to accurately describe the finish of this car. Now, this could have gone a lot of different ways. I told Gabe, regardless of what's in that mystery box, we're gonna follow through with the video, because even if it ended up being a total disaster, sometimes total disasters are fun to watch too. We can't just show you when we hit a home run, we gotta show you when we strike out too. So 2 things I wanna know from you guys. If you have a second, please leave a comment below. First, after you see the car, how do you think it turned out? Do you love it, or do you absolutely hate the end result? 2, if there's another mystery box that either gets canceled or returned from UPS, should I grab it, and do you want to see more mystery box style videos in the future? Let me know if you liked this video and if we should repeat it again. Now, if you want to dip your car, we have car kits that are a lot easier to do than what we saw here today. Very cool colors with simple application process. Click up here, it'll bring you to our car kits, and they'll include everything you need to get the job done. The gallons, the sprayer, all the accessories. But if you have any questions, you know what to do. Chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in, because we love to talk to you guys about your personal projects. Now let's go outside and check out how this mystery box ended up. It's Fonzie. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video.